How to mask a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So this is a new updated feature that allows you to mask objects in your video. Now to use this, you first need to come over to this left-hand side, and on the toolbar you'll see this icon at the bottom for Object Mask Tool. Now if you go and hold your mouse cursor down on this icon, you could then select the different mask types. So because I'm going to be masking a face, I'm going to select the Ellipse Mask Tool. Now make sure you have your video selected like this, and then you can go and draw your mask around the object you want to mask out. Now make sure to hold down the Shift key on your keyboard to make a symmetrical mask. Now if you click on Window, you can go and open up Effect Controls. And to make sure that this mask follows the video or the object that you're trying to mask, on the left hand side, come over to your mask and make sure the drop down arrow is selected. You could then click on this play icon to track the selected mask. Now what this means is when this person moves in the video, you can see that the mask will automatically adjust the keyframes. So that means that this selection will automatically be tracked throughout your video. Now if you want to manually track this object yourself by applying keyframes, then make sure the playhead is at the very beginning of the video, and then you can go and click on Frame. Now as you can see, it will automatically apply the first keyframe. You can then move the playhead to the next point in the video you want to track, and then you can go and manually readjust the mask. Now as you can see, as you do this, it will apply a second keyframe. So you can essentially keep moving the playhead and manually change the mask yourself. And each of these keyframes will represent a different point in the video where the mask will automatically move. Now in order to actually use this mask on your video, you need to go and hold down on the Ellipse mask. You then need to drag it over to opacity like this, and as you can see, it will now apply the mask effect. Now if you click on the drop down arrow next to opacity and click on the drop down arrow next to your mask, you'll see all of your different masking settings. So you can either go and increase or decrease the feather. You can also invert the mask by checking this box. And that's how to use the new mask feature in Adobe Premiere Pro.